Question number 16, we need to draw y equal tan x. Graph, the domain is minus, this is also referred as gx. The domain is 180, x to 180. So what are the asymptotes for the graph? So y equal tan x, or tan x means sin x over cos x. So which x values that cos x gives 0? Right. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 270 is 0. Because we know that any value we divide by 0, then if it goes to infinity. So cos 90 also 0. Cos 270 also 0. Cos minus 90 also 0. So likewise, in the tan graph, 90, x equal 90 value is the asymptote. X equal 90 asymptotic, and this is y, and minus 90 also asymptotic. Minus 90. So usually we put a dotted line for the asymptotics, and the graph is going to be, and so this is the sin tan graph. And now we want to draw y equal mod gx, or y equal mod tan x. So what is the idea behind it? In this tan x graph, we have graph mean set of coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. In this graph, turn all the y values into positive. In this graph, turn all the y values into positive. At the same time, keep x say as it is. For example, if you take this point, right, 45. So tan 45 mean, this is 45, tan 45 mean 1. So that is 45 and 1. If you take this one, minus 45, then minus 45, tan minus 45 mean minus 1. Now, minus 45, minus 1. But when it's come to mod graph, so y equal gx graph, 45, 1 point. So y equal mod gx graph. So 45 and 1. Because what it says, turn all the negative y value to positive. Now this is positive, we don't need to do anything. But if you look at this point, original graph 45 minus 1. When it comes to mod, it's going to be 45 negative 2, because negative mod value of negative 1 is 1. So for the tan graph, so this is the point, mod tan graph. This point is here, and this point is here. This point is here. So x value is same, same x value and same height, we are turning all the values. So now when you draw like this, it will appear as a reflection of this part on x-axis. So that is the shortest way of doing it. Now this is positive, no problem. This is negative, we turn into positive. This is positive, leave as it is, the y values, and the y value is negative. So then we have to turn to positive. So mirror reflection of this part is this. So now this is y equal mod tan x graph. The third graph is y equal mod gx, g mod x. So what is the task of this graph? The task of this graph is when x equal minus 3, so g mod minus g3, when x equal 3, g mod 3 is g3. X equal minus 3, g mod minus 3, g3. Now here you can see the coordinate is 3, g3. Here you can see coordinate is minus 3, g3. What is your conclusion? Your conclusion is for minus value, for the same x value. So I'm talking about the magnitude, size, not the symbol. 3, 3, 4, 4. When there is same magnitude for x, the y values is same. For example, when x equal 3, so g3 is this height. So 3, g3 point. Then minus 3 also, we have to get the same height. Minus 3, g3. Another one. X equal a, ga. X equal minus a, still ga. Because g minus mod a mean ga. So let's say we consider a point here, x equal a line, and I will consider this height is ga. Then what is the conclusion? So this is aga minus aga. The conclusion is when x value is minus a, take the same y value, that is ga. Now what is happening if we have a graph, let's say like this. I will change this one like this. I will take x value is a. Now what is the, so this is a, g, a. Now the same distance minus a. When x value is minus a, also according to this theory, we have to take ga. So minus a, ga. So what will happen? this point, if we consider, it's going to be here, and this part is disregard. So what will happen? So this is going to be a mirror reflection of y-axis. So that is the ultimate result. Now this is tan x, y equal tan x. Now we are going to draw y equal tan mod x. So now what kind of changes we have to do? So in here we totally disregard the left side of this graph, the negative value. So negative side we disregard of this graph. So the all are negative less than 0. Then the mirror reflection of the positive side along y-axis. So this part, mirror reflection of this part on this line is going to be something like this. And this part is going to be like this. So this is touch, then I have to touch here. So this is a mirror reflection of this one along y-axis. So this is y equal tan mod x graph, and this is 180 minus 90, 0 minus, sorry, positive 90 and minus 180. If I summarize this mod x again, for the same magnitude of x, the y height should be same, or the y value should be same. So we can write this one reflects tan x in the x-axis where x greater than or equal to 0. So take x greater than or equal to 0 part and reflects that on y-axis. Or best way of writing is reflect tan x where x greater than 0 in y-axis, positive side on y-axis. Question 17. We have 2 points. This is y equal fx graph. So we have 2 points, 4, minus 3 and 9, 3. So our target is to draw f equal 2x plus 1, then y equal f 2x. So this is a horizontal stretch of vertical scalar factor of half. So then we have to multiply x value by half or divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2, 9 divided by 2 and 3 as it is. Then y equal f2x plus 1. So this is affecting to y value. So this is a translation vertical. So we want to add 4 over 2 as it is. Okay, 4 divided by 2 is 2. and then minus 3 plus 1. This is 9 4.5. Then this plus 1 is a vertical translation alone. Vertical translation with plus 1. So 3 plus 1. So the final point is 2 minus 2 and 4.1, 4. So the graph is, we can draw. So this is 4.5 and 4, and this is 2 minus 2 minus 2. We want to draw y equal mod fx. So it is a reflection. Negative part of this graph is going to be reflect on x-axis. Only negative part. Fx negative. Basically, if this is 4, then y value we have to put mod minus 3. 9 mod 3. So this is 4 mod minus 3 is 3, and 9 3. So this one leave as it is. 4 minus 3 become 4 plus 3. 4 3. So this is the reflection of this part, and this is the reflection of this part. So this is y equal mod fx. Now our target is to draw y equal minus fx minus 2. So first of all, y equal fx minus 2. This is a horizontal translation. So we are shifting this graph by 2 to right. So then 4 plus 2 minus 3 as it is. 9 plus 2 minus 3 as it is. So this is 6 minus 3 and 11 3. Now y equal minus fx minus 2. Now this is a so what is happening here? If the y value is positive, it's become negative. If the y value is negative, negative times negative, positive. So now we can see if y value is negative, it's become positive. And here y value is positive, now it's become negative. Now 6 3, so this is 4. So 4 minus 3 initially, it becomes 6 minus 3, it's come here, and then 6 plus 3, it's become here. So this point is going to be somewhere here now, and 5 4, 9 3. So this is 9 9 3. Then it become 11 3 somewhere here. Then it's become negative. So the graph is going to be something like this. So this is 6 3, and this is 11 minus 3 and y-axis 0. Question number 18. Part A, write down the range of gx. Range of gx. So this is a quadratic function uh, like this. So minimum of y is 0 and maximum of y is infinity. It means minimum to maximum. So 0 greater than, no, it can be 0 as well because x equals 0. The y gx value also y. So minimum of, okay, gx, minimum maximum of gx. So this is gx. I can't equal to 0. So make infinity. Or you can write gx greater than or equal to 0. So this is the range of gx. So we need to solve gfx is 48. So we'll find gfx. So gx is 3x square. G star is 3 star square. So gfx is 3fx square. So 3fx, we know that is 4 minus 6 square. And so this is gfx. This is equal to 48 now. Gfx equal 48, which is 3, 4 minus x square equal 48. So 3, 16 minus 8 x plus x square equal 48. So 48, 24x plus x square, 3x square equal 48. So this is cancel out. So 3x square minus 24x equals 0. And don't divide by x both sides and don't take this answer. What will happen? You will delete one answer. Always we should know that we are solving a quadratic equation. We are expecting two answers. It doesn't matter, it is same. So however, I can divide by 3 both side. X square minus 8x equals 0. So I factorize x minus 8 equals 0. So x equals 0 or x minus 8 equals 0, x equals 0 or x equal 8. Part C, we have to sketch y equal mod fx. So this is fx equal minus x plus 4, and this is a line, and it has a negative gradient, and positive y-intercept, something like this. Fx equal, so this is x and this is y. Then this point is 0, 4. This is when y equals 0, this is 4, 0. And when we turn to this is y equal fx. And when we turn to y equal mod fx, what will happen? mirror reflection of this part on x-axis. This is alpha angle, then this is also alpha angle. So we will get this type of graph. And we want to solve mod fx equal to, so mod fx equal to, so this is 4, x equal 4 line, x equal 2 line somewhere here. So mod fx equal to, so 4 minus mod x equal to, then there are two options when we take this mod value out. One is positive value equal to, other one is negative of this expression equal to. So this is 4 minus 2 equal x, so x equal to, now here minus 4 plus x equal to, x equal 2 plus 4, x equal 6. So this point is going to be 2, and this is y equal 2 line, or fx mod fx equal 2 line. So I will take this is y, so y equal 2 line, and this is 2, and this is 6 to this point, 6 to, and 2 2. So x equal to, or x equal 6.